So let's talk more about text. So you worked with text before. In Python we speak about strings, and you created the hello world program. So what you did was type hello world and it would output hello world. So this is actually a string in Python and it's a data type. So if we were to request type of hello world, you'll see it's the type str, which is short for string. So that's the data type strings. Now strings is a collection of one or more characters. So a string can be a single character, it can be multiple characters, or it can be a sentence. And you'll see there's different ways to define strings. So now I'm using single quotes, but Python also accepts double quotes, so this is okay too. If you want to use double quotes, you can. Python doesn't really care if you use single quotes or double quotes. You can also use triple quotes. So if you use this kind of quotes, you can type like a whole article. So you can type, you can press enter, and then end with those triple quotes again. And you'll see Python accepts that. And for every, you'll see there's new lines. It outputs everything on one line, but this is called a new line character, /n, \n. So if you were to define a variable, you'll see I added the /n character in there, and then we say print s. You'll see it outputs multiple lines. So let's do something else. We add a new line character, so /n. Add another new line. Oh, I pressed enter too early. Add another new line and type something. Press enter. If you print it again, you'll see we have multiple new lines because we added the /n character. So each time you add \n, it writes a new line to the screen. So you saw three ways to define strings. You could define strings like this. You could use this kind of quotes, or you can use triple quotes. So that's the three ways to define strings. Now in other programming languages, this way is the most common. And this is, in other programming languages, this is just used for single characters. But in Python, you can use all three forms.